Hi everybody, I have sneaked down to the salon just to do a little video where I had some peace and quiet to show you how that I put my makeup on in the morning using the Tropic products. I am completely barefaced now, so I'm like, oh my goodness, you cannot see my face. But anyway, and the angle's probably not that great. This is my first time doing something like this, so please bear with me. So yeah, I thought that what else would we do with our time while we're in lockdown? So I thought I would do some little videos and hopefully they'll give you some tips and pick up some things. And if you have any questions, you know, just put it into the wee comment bit at the end, okay? So first of all, what I do is using my kabuki brush and the Mineral Beauty Booster. This is the old style packaging in it because at the minute they are out of stock due to packaging issues. So I just put a little blob on the top of my brush and I go dot, 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 and then just great big circles all over my face. This is so funny actually, watching myself do this properly. I'm like, oh my goodness, don't we pull all the funniest faces? So yeah, just great big circles all over. And as you can see, straight away, that's where I get that dewiness that so many of you say to me, where do you get that dewy look from? Well, there it is. The Beauty Boost is unbelievable. I just think it gives such a lovely, fresh look. I'm hoping this angle is okay for you guys because you're seeing plenty of my double chin. So yeah, I just brush it all over and it go a bit closer, you can see. It just gives a lovely, fresh, dewy look. I love it. This is what I literally can't live without this. And the brush is so soft. I know people that just sit at home and stroke their arm with the brush because it's so soft. I'll not mention any names. I'll not name them and shame them. So the next thing I do is with our illuminator, which is a little bit like another brand. Like it would be a bit like the Touche Eclat one, but obviously this one's natural and it's beautiful. So this is the Brulee colour. I put a little bit on the back of my concealer brush and I just dab, dab, dab. And then the same on the other side, dab, dab, dab. And then with little feather stroke movements, I just gently, like just really gently under the eye because like the skin is so delicate. I do little strokes down across the top of the cheekbone just so that it's more natural looking. And you can see there, it's really light reflecting. It's lovely. You know, it helps to hide them dark circles. The good thing about this is it actually doesn't go into creases like some concealers do because it's so light. It just gives a really nice look underneath your eyes without aging, you know. So then whatever's left on my brush, I put a tiny bit across the top of my lids and up to the top of my brow bone just to even out my skin tone, okay? So that's that on. Now, usually, like during the day, that is all I would have on foundation-wise. But I want to show you. There's the Barely Nude is the color that I use, but their mineral powder foundation is lovely too. And for those of you who don't like a dewy look, then I put this on. So I just dab a little bit onto the same brush. Okay, I tap the excess off into the lid, and the same again. I kind of blob, 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 and then just great big circles all over the face, okay? So it's so easy. It's literally like so easy to do, as you can see. It's like, it smells yummy too, actually. But you can see that it's taken the shine off my skin. So like, I love the shine. Like, I really like that dewy look. But if I was going out and out, then I would put this powder on because it just really, like, see the way it mats it down a little bit. You can still see a little sheen, but it mats it down. So then the next thing I do is I get my palette. So this is one that I have made myself, as you can see. The Cheeky Peach, as most of you know, is my favorite color. So I put a little bit on with my blusher brush. I tap the excess off and I just do little circles up on the cheek, up towards the top of my ear. And the same on that side. So I just love a natural look. You know, this, you can do your makeup whatever way you like, but for me, I love the natural look, and you can really see the glow there on my cheek. Oh my goodness, my nose looks ginormous. Not a great angle, we'll not do that one again. So that's that on. Then I get my angled brush and I do my eyebrows. So I use Carob in this because it's the darkest color. Now you'll be able to see what a difference, I'm actually gonna probably have to look in the mirror for this one as opposed to the camera. But literally, that's what's the good thing about this is look, it's got a full face mirror on it. So literally look, but you'll be able to see the difference. I mean, look at the difference having an eyebrow makes. It lifts your face, makes you younger looking. We all want that. I just think having your eyebrows penciled in, naturally it doesn't have to be heavy. You don't have to have caterpillar eyebrows or anything like that there. It just makes such a difference. So I'll do the other side. Now I'm just gonna have to use the mirror again for this. So just gives a lovely look. What do I say? Yeah, see? And it's just so natural and just goes on so nice. Now, the next thing then that I put on is my eyeliner. So I go into the waterline with my eyes, but some people don't. Some people just like to put it on the corners or put it on their lids, just wherever suits you. So this one's great. It's so soft. I have to say it's one of the softest ones and it stays on so well. And there's a wee sharpener and all at the end of it, so it's fantastic. Now, next thing is the mascara. So I have the black fixing gel here. Now, this is going to be fun trying to do this. I have my phone balanced on a Tropic box is where I've had to put it to try and get the right height for me to do this. It's very strange watching myself do it this way. So I put a little layer of that on and then I press in some fibers. Now you can actually see my eyelashes starting to look longer there. So I press in some fibers and then I put on another layer. So with this mascara it's great because you can actually put on as much or as little as you want. So if you don't want the fibers on, during the day, you don't have to, but if you do want them on, then you can. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get in a bit closer to see if you can see the difference. So it looks really good, doesn't it? So that's just with a little bit on. I'm laughing. The doctor's right there going for their lunch and there's me trying to do a video. They'll be wondering what I'm doing, talking to myself. So just the same again, just layer the mascara on. Do we pull such funny faces when we're putting our mascara on? I have to say it's really strange being in the salon and it's so quiet outside. The doctors, we are in really weird times, aren't we? Oh, I don't need to put that on the bottom. Hang on. But look, see even just how mascara changes your face, like wow. So there is that. So literally, I've been waffling away here and probably actually if I wasn't talking as much, I could do this much quicker. But 5 minutes does it. Now I'm going to use the new lipstick. It is called Peony Pop. It's beautiful. Or maybe actually, do you know what? No, I'm going to use Juicy Apricot because I haven't used it yet. I haven't put it on myself. So I'll use the Juicy Apricot. So it's like a corally colour. So we'll see what that looks like. So this is with the new lip brush. Oh, it's lovely. It smells so yummy. So I'm just brushing it on. Oh, it's so nice. There, so that's me done for the day. So 5 minutes is all it has taken. So as you can see, looks nice and fresh. The lips, I actually really like that colour. Yes, fabulous. So here, I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any comments or anything, I keep looking at the wrong bit, but it's my first time, so bear with me. All right, so take care guys, keep safe, and I'll see you all soon. Okay, love you, bye, 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 bye.